Hello students, today I will be showing you a simple experiment. You, all you need to have a bottle having water. It should be a transparent bottle. You can take a transparent glass also. Since I didn't have that transparent glass, I have used this transparent bottle. So first you need to have a transparent bottle. You fill it with water. Don't fill up to its brim. Fill till here or till here. Okay, now then you do one thing, you open the cap and then you place this stick inside water. So you might have seen that the stick is seeming bend in water. You might have seen, see, I have kept the stick straight, but still it is seeming a little bit bend when it is going inside water. Okay, when I am taking it out, it is okay. Let me do from the other side. I am placing it, and when it is going inside, you can see it is slightly shifted. It is slightly seeming as bend when it is going inside water. Okay, so why this happens? This type of question can come in science in your school. Okay, so this happens because of a phenomena called refraction of light. So what is that phenomena? I will be explaining you over here. Refraction, it is due to the refraction. Question can come in your school like this, that why a stick when placed in water appears to be bent. Okay, so the answer will be due to the refraction of light. It happens due to the refraction of light. Okay, why? Because the speed of, you can write it afterwards, this happens as the speed of light is different in different media or medium, is different in different medium. And you should know that suppose when a light is traveling in air or in vacuum, air and vacuum are more or less the same thing. So when light travels in air, it travels very fast, it goes like very fast, and when it goes inside water, the density of water is more than that of air, so the speed decreases and the ray changes its direction. Okay, so this happens because of the, and this phenomena of light changing the path when it moves from one medium to another is called refraction of light. Suppose this is air or vacuum, which is a rarer medium, which has got very less density. Is a rarer medium, it has got very less density, and this medium is, suppose this is water, it is called denser medium. Why it is called denser? Because it has got more density. Now the speed of light in air is 3 lakh kilometer per second, and when it goes inside water, it is 2,25,000 meter per second. So due to this, the stick appears to be bent. There are some other phenomena. I will explain you in my next video why the stars appears to be twinkle. In my other video, I will also explain you that when in certain offices you might have seen that there is paperweight, and if something is written, suppose there is a newspaper I have kept, and then I have placed a paperweight and newspaper is over here. So the letters that is written in the newspaper or in any book or in any document, that appears to be raised, that is also due to the refraction of light. So there are many applications of refraction of light. This is one of them. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching the video.